For anyone still clinging to the spinning platters of a traditional hard drive, listen up. There's a fantastic opportunity staring you right in the face, and it comes in the form of the Samsung 870 EVO 2TB solid-state drive. Right now, Amazon is offering this incredibly popular and reliable SSD at a significant 39% discount, bringing the price down to a compelling $155.99 from its original $254.99. And honestly, after looking at what this drive offers, it's hard to find a single good reason not to jump on this deal. Samsung's EVO series has earned a stellar reputation over the years, and the 870 EVO 2TB is no exception. It's built on Samsung's proven track record of delivering both speed and dependability. We're talking about a SATA 3 interface here, which means it's compatible with a vast majority of PCs and laptops out there. If your system has a 2.5-inch drive bay, chances are this SSD will slot right in and breathe new life into your machine. The most immediate and noticeable difference you'll experience when upgrading to an SSD like the 870 EVO is the sheer speed. Boot times will shrink dramatically, applications will launch in the blink of an eye, and even everyday tasks like opening files and multitasking will feel significantly snappier. Forget those frustrating moments of waiting for your computer to catch up. This SSD will make your system feel responsive and modern again. Beyond the speed, the 2 terabytes capacity is a huge selling point, especially for those of us with a tendency to accumulate digital files. Whether it's a massive library of photos and videos, a sprawling collection of games, or just a general reluctance to delete anything, 2 terabytes provides ample space to store it all. You can finally say goodbye to those constant disk-full warnings and the tedious process of deciding what to delete next. This drive offers the breathing room your digital life probably desperately needs. Reliability is another cornerstone of the Samsung EVO series. These drives are built with quality components and undergo rigorous testing to ensure they can handle the demands of daily use. While no storage device is immune to failure, Samsung's track record in this area provides a significant peace of mind. You can trust this SSD to safeguard your important data. Upgrading to an SSD is arguably the single most impactful upgrade you can make to an older computer. It addresses the fundamental bottleneck that hard drives create. The difference in performance is night and day, and it can truly transform your computing experience. If you've been on the fence about making the switch, this deal on the Samsung 870 EVO 2TB is a compelling reason to finally take the plunge. It offers a fantastic combination of speed, capacity, and reliability from a trusted brand, all at a very attractive price point. Don't miss out on this opportunity to give your system the performance boost it deserves.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.